Hello guys, welcome to Zinmanchal. This video will be about Marco because I think Marco ने इंडियन मूवी इंडस्ट्री में वो अटेम्प्ट किया है जो आज तक कोई भी मूवी नहीं कर सका है and that is pushing the boundaries of action and violence. I will talk about its journey. So Marco released on December 20 of 2024 जो कि बहुत recent है and initially इस मूवी के बारे में except for Kerala I don't think कहीं पे और इसके बारे में hype था but then first reactions came from the Kerala box office and everybody was amazed कि इतना violence दिखा कैसे गए ये लोग। केरला में सभी लोगों के पास इस मूवी के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ ओपिनियन तो था। It was not any other forgettable movie because आप इस मूवी को forget कर ही नहीं सकते। You will either like it or you will dislike it and the only reason is the violence. And जब ये मूवी रिलीज हुआ था ना When I didn't hear about it, मुझे लगा this will be one of the run-of-the-mill movie. But when I heard the Malayalam reviews, I got to know, okay, this is doing something new and something brave. So मुझे चुल मच गई इस मूवी को देखने के लिए. And मेरे यहाँ मलयालम शोज नहीं लगे थे. The only show that I could watch, which was nearest to me, was set in Hindi dub. मुझे थोड़ा hesitation तो हुआ. I was thinking whether should I watch it or not, but then I finally decided to watch it because of the reviews that it was getting. हालांकि I was spoiled in the sense मुझे थोड़ा स्टोरी का आइडिया हो गया था from Twitter, Instagram and the review. But then I watched it and I must say this, when I watched it, I was blown away. And the one scene that really captured my attention is not the climax scene or before the climax scene. It's actually the staircase scene. And I'm not sure कि वो staircase वाला scene was shot in one go or not, but it did look like it was shot in one go. जब मैं वो सीन देख रहा था ना I was thinking भाई उसको देख के मैं थक गया था. And it's not only about this scene. अगर आप देखोगे तो lot of the action movies, the so-called action movies, don't have the action proper itself. जहाँ पे action movies में, so-called action movies में, you will see with one punch the villain will fall like 1 kilometer away from the hero. Whereas this, I think proper martial art was used. And if you see a proper martial art technique being used now, you will get that high. And जब hand to hand combat में ऐसे वाले scene देखते हो ना आप, which has proper martial art scenes, if it personally me, I really like that. And that is what is lacking in all the so-called action movies. And it's not just the action movie. अगर आप notice करोगे तो इसका story भी was very good. Initially I was really hooked when the movie started. हालांकि simple story है, but screenplay is very tight. And जब action का level up होते जाता है ना, that gives you the high. Initially it starts थोड़ा low key, then action scenes level up its game. And जब pre-climax जो bang होता है, peak reach होता है in pre-climax, वो climax भी match नहीं कर पाता. And I am one of those guys who wanted a really violent ending for the villain. But villain को सिर्फ ऐसा ही उड़ा दिया, which personally I didn't like. And I think most of the people have this same complaint. हालांकि मैंने कुछ इंटरव्यूज देखे थे उन्नी मुकुंदन के. There he clarified कि there was a reason कि वो ज़्यादा violence end में show नहीं कर पाए. And I personally felt happy after seeing the success of Marco. So this movie did great business in Kerala itself. Then I think ये तेलुगु में आई and तेलुगु में भी एक बड़ी hit रही. Then it came in Hindi and from there it had no looking back. And if I'm not wrong, this is the first movie from Kerala which reached 100 crores worldwide. Not worldwide, maybe in India. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And I personally felt happy after seeing Unni Mukundan in national headlines. I don't know, his victory felt personal victory to me. And then now, today it's releasing on OTT. Let's hope it will reach even more wider audience. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. I couldn't make this video, I mean the review video, when I saw the movie because of some personal issues and limitations. But now I'm posting it. So please do watch the movie if you haven't watched it. And movie में भर के violence है. If you want to watch alone, I think I recommend you to watch alone. So yeah, thank you. Bye.